Have you ever heard of or visited Santiago de Compostela? It's a city in Spain and a very famous site for Christian pilgrimage with a very long walk called El Camino. Santiago is the Spanish name for St. James, but what does Compostela mean? There are two etymologies and one is much cooler than the other. The first one is that Compostela comes from the Latin word compositum, which means arranged or composed, and thus a burial ground or a cemetery. There is archaeological evidence for this etymology, as there is a necropolis, Roman or early Christian, that lies underneath the modern day site of Santiago's cathedral. However, the second and cooler etymology is that Compostela comes from the Latin campus stellae, which means a field of stars. Rumour has it that a Spanish hermit was guided by a shower of stars to a field where he found 3 stone tombs, one of which was the tomb of St. James with his head carried in his arms. And this follows the story of his execution in Jerusalem. Which etymology do you believe is true? And have you ever been to Santiago de Compostela or have you walked the Camino? Let me know in the comments.